Lesson 1.09 for homework. It says the number 10, it says the standardized test prep, so that means this is multiple choice. The students in Ms. Lou's class used geometry software to construct a specific type of quadrilateral that keep its required features if someone drags one of the vertices. But 1. Jeremy's group construct a parallelogram with congruent adjacent sides. Adjacent means next to. So those parallelogram with congruent adjacent sides. So the next to each other, those are the congruent means exactly the same. B says, not B. Bullet 2, Amy's group constructed the quadrilateral with diagonals that bisects the quadrilateral's angles. Bullet 3, Alexandra's group constructed the quadrilateral with 4 congruent sides. Bullet 4, Sang's group constructed the quadrilateral with diagonals that are perpendicular and intersect each other at their midpoint. Which type of quadrilateral did each group construct? So Jeremy's group draw a rectangle or square or rhombus or trapezoid. Not Jeremy's, but all the 4 groups. What quadrilateral they constructed? Is that a rectangle or square or a rhombus or a trapezoid? So that's the question number 10. Number 11. As you learn to use your geometry software, you probably also did some geometric thinking. List some geometric ideas, terminology, or techniques that you learned, relearned, polished it up, or invented. So basically, just write up what you have learned for this in this the lesson so far. Number 12, no geometry software allows you to construct a line that is perpendicular to another line or segment unless you first identify both line or segments and the points. Why is this sensible restriction? So if you want to draw perpendicular line like this in the geometric software, you first have to choose you first have to identify both a line and a point. So let's say you have a line and you have this point. You got to choose these two in order to draw a perpendicular line to each other. And why do you have to do this? Why you have to choose a line and a point and not just either one? Or why you have to choose both? That's problem number 11. Actually, it's 11. Number 12, actually that was number 12. This is number 13. Select one of the you mess upable figures you constructed in exercise 1 through 8. Write detailed directions that describe the construction process. To test your direction, switch with your partner. Do you both get the predicted results? You might have to go to computer lab to use that software, so I would skip that question. If you want it, you can come at 7:30 in my classroom, and I can use my software. 14. Look back at exercise 4. How do you make sure that that triangle you constructed is equilateral? Describe what features of the construction or the resulting figure guarantee that triangle has 3 congruent sides. So you have equilateral triangle and you claim that these 3 sides are whatever centimeter inches. The length is equilateral. But what guarantees that, though? What kind of process of the construction that you did in for exercise 4, problem 4, guarantees that these 3 sides are has equal lengths? That's the question number 14. And that's the end of this video.